If you have flown recently, you'll know that packing your bags is only half the battle. The real challenge often starts the moment you board the plane.
Yes. Here to help us settle some major airplane etiquette debates is our friend and the president of Travelmation, Mr. Adam Duckworth.
Whoa.
What up, Duckworth?
Hey.
All right, Adam, let's dive right into it.
Okay, we're talking about travel etiquette, airplane edition today, and hey, they gave me the card, so I get to ask the questions today.
I like
First
it.
time ever. Okay, here we go.
See.
The solo first class upgrade. So you and your spouse are flying together. At the gate, the airline tells you, hey, we got exactly one upgrade available for first class. The other person has to stay in economy. Do you take the seat?
Yes.
Or do you stay with your spouse in economy? What do you do?
No, I give it to my wife.
Thank you.
I give it to my wife.
Yeah.
I give it to 100%.
By the way,
I give it to my wife.
do?
But I have a question.
They've
though.
seen
I have a
her in-
question.
Hold on, let's do- okay,
no. But I have a question.
Yes.
Does that mean her seat remains open, or it's going to be filled with someone else?
No, they're going to fill it with someone
Oh,
else.
so I don't get two seats right
Yeah,
there.
no, you don't get two seats.
She gets it. I'm give it to her, but she should give it to me because I like to drink and she don't drink.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And I get free drinks, so she should
Okay.
give it to me. But I would give it to her.
Okay,
but
I
if
got
she,
it.
you know, But if you want to get full, you know what I mean?
Yes.
The most out of it,
Then
she
you
should
should
give it
go
to me.
to the
Okay,
Because I
Hoover?
drink
I
one.
would like to think that my husband gives me the seat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, and one goes up, and I think if you get the upgrade, you shouldn't give it up. And I'd want the same. Maybe next time I give it to him. You flip flop.
Yeah,
I think
no,
it
I'll
should
give
be
it to her,
offered.
yeah.
Got it. All right,
You know what I'm saying?
you
I
wanna
think
hear-
whoever
Yeah, what-
drinks more,
Okay.
because you're getting free drinks. So
That's
whoever
fair.
drinks more, she goes,
That's
puts
fair.
a little
What about
logic
you?
behind it.
I'm taking it all day, and let me tell you why. So I love my wife to death. We've been married almost 20
dang,
years.
You're cold as ice.
So listen, we did this. LA to Sydney like 6 years ago. I'm a plane nerd. She said to me, Adam, you got upgraded. Take the seat. But here's what I said to her. I said, I'll go get you mid-flight because it was a 16-hour bird.
Oh, yeah.
You come up, I'll switch with you.
That's fair.
I went to go get her. She was sleeping every time. I couldn't wake her up. She never got
How
to take it.
convenient.
How can she sleep?
How convenient,
How
Lopez.
convenient, Duckworth.
She's still mad to this day.
Duckworth slipped her some NyQuil so she could pass out.
No one sleeps in a chair that doesn't recline.
Sure she was asleep, Duckworth. Sure she was asleep.
All right, hit us again.
Next
All right.
one, here we go. To recline or not to recline? I know you could get fired up, so let me finish the question and then I'm going to let you answer, okay? This causes literal brawls on airplanes. You're in your seat, it's packed, even if you're in first class, and the person, as soon as wheels go up, all the way back. What do?
I actually don't mind it, first of all, because I like to recline my seat, and I'm tiny. I don't get, if it's there, I'm always conscious of if somebody behind me is bigger or it's in their way, I won't do it. But I never mind when they recline. It's what the seat is supposed
They
to do.
wouldn't have made it able to recline if you were supposed to recline, Duckworth.
Okay.
So the fact that it's even a question is absurd to me.
So this happened to me on the way here from Florida. I was in a seat, and someone immediately after we took off, all the way back. And here's what I said. I just move my laptop back, don't say anything because it's their prerogative, and I don't want to end up on Instagram in a negative way.
Does it bother
and you
you?
could. Does it bother me? I would say it tweaks me a little bit.
But it's more about the timing is what you're saying.
It is.
Yes,
It's
the
right
timing.
away.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
not a slow recline
It's a-
kit. It's a boom.
Oh, no.
But
You
do
can't
you
boom.
re-
You
do
can't
you-
boom. You can't boom. You gotta
Do
go
you
slow.
recline your
You gotta
seat?
go slow.
I actually rarely recline my seat, and out of respect for the person behind me, I just do a little tweak.
Just a little one.
With your
Okay, wait, here's a bigger one. What about the middle of the arm? If you're flying coach, this just happened,
yeah.
and you're the one that told me. You got to claim, Mario told me, your arm space
do.
when you get
You
there.
do.
But I never do, and I'm always so,
Well, here's
I
the
just
thing.
try to sit like this in the middle.
I actually said, too, if you're in the middle, because you're in the middle and
Yeah.
that's the sucky seat, you get both. Boom, boom.
No, but
you
I
get
tried.
both right there.
But then you told me, too, once I got to go to the bathroom and came back, they were back in
So,
it.
kid,
And I was
but
like,
then,
oh.
no, but then you go back. Then you go back.
Kid, I got an answer for you on this one. I got an answer, folks, and here's the answer.
Okay.
Don't fly coach. There's your answer. And I've flown coach in years, and I don't plan on it. That's just my MO.
So true.
Last one. Are you all ready?
All right,
Y'all ready? Okay. Family separation. Okay. You paid extra weeks ago to book a prime window seat. You get to your row, and a parent politely asks you if you would mind swapping your window for their middle seat a few rows back so they could sit next to their 10-year-old. Are you obligated to be the Good Samaritan and give up the seat or stay where you are?
Question. How long is the flight?
That's the question, Lopez.
Here to Vegas, I'm cool.
Yeah.
Here to New York, I'm sorry, honey. But with all due respect, I was going to crash out.
Yeah.
If it's a middle seat, if it was another seat, like another window or an aisle,
Yeah.
I can roll with it. But in the middle, you're asking a lot.
I know.
I think that's rude. You're asking a
Well,
lot.
I've never asked somebody to move for me when I'm traveling with my kids. However, I've moved to the middle seat on a long flight because it was a mom and a little boy, and I just
well, then you know what? You should have factored that in.
But I just was like, she just looked so tired, and it made her so happy, and I was like, what's the big deal? You know what I mean? I think she got me on a good day.
So I would agree with Lopez on this one, and let me tell you why.
If you want to be okay in life, you should.
This is, I tend to try to land in that camp, but this is a varying answer for me. It depends on length of flight. It depends on plane. It depends on where I'm going and how long ago I booked that seat and how passionate I am.
Have I slept at all? Was I looking to catch up on some rest?
Is anybody traveling with me? There's a lot of variables that I can't answer on this one.
But no matter the flight or whatever, will you move your seat if it's the same one?
Of course, of course.
That's silly.
If you don't do that, you're just a jerk.
We were recently on a flight, and this man wouldn't move for this woman, and it was such an easy one. And I was
no, that's just rude.
That's rude.
But I think it's rude of the parent, in all seriousness, to ask to move to a middle seat because they were not responsible to do
And truth be told, you might want your 5-year-old to make a new friend and have a little quiet time.
Right, and you got to book in advance and get that seat you want. That's what I always say. Book in advance. Book with a travel advisor. Get it done.
How about how annoying now that you have to pay for your seat? It's like you think you've got the price there, and then you click and click and click and have the bags. And Duckworth, can you do something about that?
Well, let me make a few phone calls.
Okay.
I'll make a few phone calls.
Okay, I think we settled some pretty
got
good.
it?
Wait, last question. Last question.
What?
Are you cool with people bringing food on the plane?
Food?
Yes.
Like you're talking like McDonald's on the plane or like fast food? Absolutely not. It's a hard no for me. It smells to high heavens. I can't stand it. Absolutely not.
So regardless of the food.
Regardless of the food.
So if it was even if it's like a banana.
No.
With some, really no food.
And I have children and I do that, but I don't like that I do it. I just want them to listen.
I do it, but I don't like that.
I do it, but I don't like that I do it. Wait for the snack basket.
I'm guilty. I'm guilty because not only did I come from home, but like I hit up the little store right there on the way right there. So I'm coming and I'm eating everything right there.
So Lopez, a thing of goldfish is way different than a wrap or a burger, which is getting everywhere.
Can't bring. There's I think again there's nuance here. You can't be bringing fish, boiled eggs, stuff like that.
Lopez loves an egg. For more incredible advice and get expert help planning your next adventure, head over to Travelmation website. We'll be right back.
Thank you all. So funny.
Oh, so great.